Find the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c plus d plus e raised to the power 12. All right. At any point, you can just pause the video, guys, and try it out on your own. And then anyway, you can just resume the video to look at the solution. Okay, so guys, let's take an example of a plus b the whole square. If you look at a plus b the whole square का expansion, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? अगर 2ab को हम ध्यान से देखें, this is 2 into a raised to 1 into b raised to 1, right? And a square is a square into b raised to 0, right? And the last term b square is a raised to 0 into b square, right? So guys, if you observe carefully about the coefficients here, the coefficients are 1, 2 and 1, जिसके बारे में पहले बार्नवेल थ्योरम बात कर चुके हैं. बट नाउ अगर पावर्स को देखिए अगर हम गाइस, तो ये पावर्स क्या है? 2 0 1 1 and 0 2, राइट? सो 2 0 1 1 and 0 2, दिस इज नथिंग बट डिवाइडिंग द नंबर 2 into 2 ग्रुप्स, राइट? यही हो गया ना यहाँ पे 2 0 1 1 0 2 का मीनिंग, right? Dividing the power 2 between the two terms a and b, right? Same thing you can observe for a plus b the whole cube also, guys. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is as good as a cube b raised to 0, a square b raised to 1, a raised to 1 b square and a raised to 0 b cube, right? So look at the powers, guys. Powers kya hai? 3 0 2 1 1 2 and 0 3, isn't it? So all the powers, okay, all these divisions 3 0 2 1 1 2 0 3, they are nothing but the number of ways in which the power 3 is divided between a and b, right? Okay, so यहाँ से एक चीज सीखते हैं, whenever we have binomial and raise it to any power, okay, that power is divided into into the two given groups, right? अब एक और एग्जांपल हम यहाँ लेते हैं, guys. So the formula a plus b plus c the whole square, okay, if you know it, the formula is the a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? अब यहाँ पे guys, if you look at the powers of the variables, okay, देखो a square है, b raised to 0 c raised to 0, a raised to 0 b square c raised to 0, a raised to 0 b raised to 0 c square, right? So 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, right? If you go on further, okay, look at the coefficients, 2 wale terms, okay, a raised to 1 b raised to 1 c raised to 0, so 1 1 0. Next क्या है? a raised to 0 b raised to 1 c raised to 1, so 0 1 1, right? And the last one is a raised to 1 b raised to 0 c raised to 1, right? So basically all these are nothing but distributions of the power 2 into three groups, right? ये है ना, देखो 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, right? So it is again distribution of the power 2 into three groups a b and c, right? Okay, so अगर यहाँ पे बोला है a plus b plus c plus d plus e the whole raised to 12, it is as good as the number of ways of dividing 12, okay, into five groups a b c d and e, right? It's as simple as that, as we saw. So it is 12 plus 5 minus 1 c 5 minus 1, this comes out to be 16 c 4, as simple as that. Okay, if you calculate, it's 1820. How many 4-digit numbers exist such that the sum of their digits is 5? Very simple. Okay, first condition is you need to ensure it's a 4-digit number. ये हम पहले भी देख चुके हैं, guys. How many 4-digit numbers exist ये solve करने के लिए? In that case, हमने first digit क्या लिया था? Non-zero लिया था, right? Because in that case, we cannot take this place as 0. अगर आपने यहाँ पे 0 put कर लिया, इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, it will be a 3-digit number, right? So to ensure that it's not less than 4 digits, we need to first insert 1 digit over here. Okay, 5 से हमने एक digit एक number निकाल के हमने यहाँ put कर दिया, right? Now guys, the whole idea to solve this question is that अगर हमारे पास 5 sum of the digits 5 होना चाहिए. So it is like I have 5 balls, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and ये balls मुझे यहाँ 4 जगह place करना है. For example, एक ball मैंने यहाँ place किया, मैंने एक बॉल यहाँ प्लेस किया, मैंने एक बॉल यहाँ प्लेस किया, मैंने दो बॉल्स यहाँ प्लेस किया, तो ये नंबर क्या हो गया? 1 1 1 2. Are you understanding this, guys? Similarly, if I place suppose 2 balls over here, 2 balls over here, 1 ball over here, and here nothing, I get the number 2210, right? Okay, so basically sum of the digits 5 पाने का मतलब क्या है? I will have exactly 5 balls or 5 objects, okay, जिन्हें मुझे 4 जगह प्लेस करना है. But now again, as I told you, specific condition is that the 4th digit can't be equal to 0. इसलिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट पहले निकाल दिया हमने और 4th प्लेस पे हमने डाल दिया उसको, ठीक है? Now I'm left with exactly 4 objects, okay, जिनका sum बचा हुआ कितना होना चाहिए? 4 होना चाहिए, right? As simple as that. And now these 4 objects I have to put in 4 places, right? This can be done in how many ways? 4 plus 4 minus 1, c4 minus 1, 7c3, that's 35. Okay, so there are 35 4-digit numbers exist such that the sum of the digits is nothing but 5. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Okay, एक हमने यहाँ डाल दिया, बाकी चारों का हमें 4 चाहिए. So by partitioning, it is as good as saying हमें 4 identical objects place करना है 4 places पे. This can be done in 4 plus 4 minus 1, c4 minus 1 ways. That is 35 ways, right? Okay, let's slightly change the question. How many 4-digit numbers exist such that the sum of the digits is up to 5? मतलब sum of the digits can be let's say 1 हो सकता है, या फिर 2 हो सकता है, या फिर 3, या फिर 4 या 5 कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, So one way to solve the question is, guys, very direct approach is you take cases. Okay, first case is you take that sum 1. Okay, अब guys, to ensure that you have 4-digit numbers. Okay, हमने पहले तो यहाँ 1 डाल दिया है to ensure it's a 4-digit number. तो first case में जब sum हमें 1 चाहिए digits का, that can happen only in one way when the number is a 4-digit number 1000, right? That's the only way out. Second case we'll take is when the sum is 2. If the sum is 2, guys, in that case आपने 1 यहाँ डाला हुआ है. That means the sum of these 4 places should be nothing but 1, right? So it is as good as dividing exactly one identical object or one object in 4 places, right? This can be done in 1 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1, or 4 C3, which is 4 ways, right? If you observe, this can be 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1 0, या फिर 1 1 0 0, या फिर 2000. Okay, all of these, okay, are basically 4-digit, and the sum of the digits is nothing but 2. Okay, now fortunately हमने अभी check कर लिया है, आगे हम check नहीं कर पाएंगे because you get larger possibilities, right? So if suppose I take the next case 3, when sum of the digits is 3, आपने एक नंबर 1 वहां प्लेस किया हुआ है thousands place पे, so I have 2 identical objects remaining and I have to divide them in 4 places, right? This can be done in 2 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1 ways. This is nothing but 5C3. 5C3 is nothing but 10 ways, isn't it? Okay, so you can check, there'll be 4-digit numbers, इनका like 10 possibility होगा. Okay, sum of the digits 3 मिलने का 1020 1002 1200, right? All of that. Okay, 1011 110 1110, all that. Okay, let's go on further. Let's check the case 4. In the fourth case, sum of the digits should be 4. Okay, अगर sum of digits guys 4 चाहिए आपको and आपने first place पे 1 डाला हुआ है, you still have 3 identical objects remaining in 4 places, right? This can be done in 3 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1 ways, right? That is nothing but 6C3. That is nothing but 20 ways, right? Okay, तो अब तक हमने 4 केस कंसीडर कर लिए, sum of the digits 1 का 2 3 4 and last case बचा है अभी. Okay, fifth case when sum of the digits should be 5. Okay, now this can be done by placing exactly 4 objects in 4 places, right? Sum 5 चाहिए आपको, आपने 1 already place कर दिया है thousands place पे. So remaining 4 identical objects can be placed in 4 groups in 4 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. That comes out to be 7C3 ways. Okay, and that will be nothing but 35 ways, right? Okay, now the final number of ways will be nothing but summation of all these values, right? या तो 1 होगा sum, या 2 होगा, या 3 होगा, या 4 होगा, या 5 होगा, right? So final answer is summation of all these number of possibilities: 1 4 10 20 35. Okay, 35 10 20 55, then 10 65, 4 and 1 is 70, right? So the answer is 70. How many 4-digit numbers exist such that the digits का sum is up to 5? The answer is 70. Okay. अब इसका एक बहुत easy method हम लोग guys understand करते हैं. I want you to again pay your 200% attention over here right now. Okay. So it's a 4-digit number, guys, right? And I want the sum of the digits up to 5. Okay. पहला चीज हमने किया, हमने thousands place पे ये 1 यहाँ place कर दिया. Okay, which is removing half of our burden over here, right? Okay, guys. अब एक काम करते हैं, I'll place a dummy group over here, right? I'll place a dummy group over here such that अगर मुझे बाकी सारे numbers का sum 4 चाहिए ना guys, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Suppose हमने यहाँ पे 0 दिया इस ग्रुप में, इस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे, तो बाकी चारों के बीच exactly 4 का sum डिवाइड होगा, right? Are you understanding this? By partitioning हम लोग यही करते हैं, वैल्यू असाइन करते हैं. Okay, suppose अगर यहाँ 1 चला गया, that means बाकी इन सब का sum कितना हो जाएगा? 3 हो जाएगा, right? सपोज अगर यहाँ पे 2 आ गया तो बाकी सबके पास कितना 2 आ जाएगा, राइट? अगर यहाँ पे 3 आ गया तो बाकी सबका सम कितना आना चाहिए? 1. और अगर यहाँ पे सपोज 4 आ गया, दैट मींस यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर नहीं आएगा, राइट? दैट इज नथिंग बट द डिफरेंट केसेस पॉसिबल, राइट? सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं गाइस, एक डमी ग्रुप आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं सच दैट ओके, गिवन यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू सपोज असाइन कर रहे हैं हम लोग डिजिट्स के लिए, सपोज हमने 1 असाइन किया तो बाकी चारों को उसके अकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा, राइट? द रिमेनिंग 3 का सम शुड बी 3. आई यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? इसका वैल्यू अगर 2 है, अगर यहाँ पे 2 असाइन किया हमने वैल्यू, तो इन सब का सम कितना आ जाएगा? 2. So the total becomes 4. Are you understanding this? Right? So now our question is the sum of the digits of these 5 groups basically should be 4. So it's like I have 4 identical objects, okay, divided into 5 groups, right? This can be done in 4 plus 5 minus 1, C5 minus 1, which is 8C4 or 70 ways. It's that simple.